Okay, I'm back. The second project for today is realigning these drawers. Here's the contact paper that I'm putting in there and see how it matches the cabinets. I'm trying to get everything coordinated, organized. I organized the counters. And I worked over here on this counter. I'm going to eventually replace the spoon container. I'm just trying to get it organized. I moved my coffee pot on this side of the table. So now I got my 1-cup carrier and my little coffee station and my little coffee pot. I'm going to move the toaster and I'm going to put me a little sign up there. So you're going to see some changes in this room. But this is the major project. I've been wanting to organize these drawers forever. See, I've already cleaned them out. See, the cabinets are like new. All I did was refurbish them. See, I just